What's up guys, welcome to my channel in Phone Tech. Today let's talk about Xiaomi Black Shark 2 Pro and Asus ROG Phone 2. Let's start with the display. Black Shark 2 Pro has a 6.3 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and other side Asus ROG Phone 2 has a 6.5 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. If I talk about the rear camera, both smartphone has a dual rear camera, but you will get a difference in pixels. Black Shark 2 Pro has a 48 megapixel plus 12 megapixel, and Asus ROG Phone 2 has a dual 48 plus 13 megapixel. Next time and storage, Black Shark 2 Pro has a 2 option RAM 8GB and 12GB, and 2 option storage 128 and 256GB. And other side Asus ROG Phone 2 has a only one option RAM 12GB and only one option storage 512GB. Next we talk about the front camera. Black Shark 2 Pro has a 12 megapixel front camera, and other side you will get a 24 megapixel front camera. Next we talk about the performance. Black Shark 2 Pro has a 2.8 GHz octa-core processor with Snapdragon 855 chipset, and other side Asus ROG Phone 2 has a 2.9 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 855 plus chipset. Now guys, we talk about some other features. Let's start. Both have a Android 9 Pie and both have a dual SIM option. If I talk about the GPU, you will get a same Adreno 640. And talk about the fingerprint sensor, both smartphone has a under display fingerprint sensor. And talk about the battery, Black Shark 2 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging, and other side you will get a 6000 mAh battery with fast battery charging, and you will get a also power bank and reverse charging. And talk about the price, Black Shark 2 Pro expected price is 32,000 in India rupees and 450 in US dollar, and other side Asus ROG Phone 2 expected price 70,000 in India rupees and 1,000 in US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video update.